Hello, today I get to show you a card that belongs to my friend James. James and I met at the Brasslands, which is an old school tournament in Toronto, Ontario. 50 or so players came and brought their best or spiciest old school decks, as the case may be. And my last game was with James, and he showed me this bounce that has this bend up at the top. You can see I'm playing with the light right there, and it's probably, the card's been folded in like that right on there. This will be no problem to fix, so let's get right to it and fix up James's card, maybe clean it a little bit. I see some grime on there. All right, catch back soon. Cheers. All right, we're back with James's beta balance, looking pretty good. So that wave that was right here is gone. No sign that the bend was ever there.